big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. And in today's video, we are going to go get my air filter that is at AutoZone. Got a brand new one, so I'm gonna show you what the old one looks like because it's pretty dirty, and I'm pretty sure it has a hole in it. So let me show y'all under the hood. All right, so this filter is getting pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see in between there, but it's got a brand new one, so you better go pick it up. And I also picked up a GoPro Hero Black 10, I think it's called, or 10 Black. I picked this up. We're gonna slap this on the car. It's gonna be a lot more content coming in for you all. I actually get to see like the mile an hour with my pulls, all that shit. So just at AutoZone, let's go pick up that filter. Y'all know it's never that video. Got that start. Last video y'all saw, I'm pretty sure the last video is when I gutted my car completely, and that was a totally different car from then. So I have a few runs lined up that I have in Mexico for y'all, so leave in the comments down below the type of cars y'all want to see me run, or if y'all want to see me step out of my league a little bit. I got a pretty big race coming up with a car I'm pretty sure I can hang with, but yeah, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be tough. And make sure y'all are hitting that subscribe button, man. A lot of y'all are watching, but you're not subscribed. I need y'all to subscribe and watch the whole video, man. I'm dropping nothing but bangers because I got some fire videos lined up within the next couple weeks. It's gonna be tough. Give y'all a quick little pull. Last night, and I was doing some pretty solid runs, man. But I got the GoPro last night, and I did like a 30 to 120, and I was just gunning it, just testing out the car late night Mexico on some back roads. But once I get this GoPro on there again with new intake, because I'm not sure if many of y'all know, but like with the vented hoods, you can hear your intake talking to you. It's like mine, like will whistle, like it'll go like that. So it almost sounds like a little fake supercharger number. I think it sounds pretty cool, but it would definitely time to get a new one. Everybody would tell me to wash it, but I had it for like a year, and I washed it a few times between there, but I just rather get a whole new air filter. It's my favorite little spot to hear my verbals. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get over to AutoZone and get the air filter. Just got into town. Downshifts be sounding evil. So we just pulled up to AutoZone. I'm gonna go here. I'm probably just gonna put the filter on out here because why not? I got like a little screwdriver and shit I need, but I'm going here, grab this filter in case I need, or grab anything else in case I need something else. But go in here, grab that shit, slap it on, get that GoPro on there, get y'all that GoPro footage because I know y'all waited to see that. All right, so we got the new filter in. This is it right here. card, whatever. That other filter is way more dirty than this one. And this is brand new. Like, it even looks a little different. It's a little bigger. But I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna show you the side by side. So there's a definite size difference between the two, because this one is a little bit taller than this one, but y'all can see it's a big difference. Like it's about lined up, and I say this one right here is a little bit taller than that one. But I'm gonna put this one on and we're gonna get this GoPro on there. All right, so we got the new filter in. Yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger because before my other filter didn't touch all the way to over here. But we got the new filter in. It's gonna be nice because it'll be way better airflow. So I'm gonna slap the GoPro on. I'm gonna have this camera in the cabin with me, and I'm gonna have the GoPro out here. So I'm gonna get y'all both shots. All right, so we got the GoPro right there. Gonna be getting y'all some rolls. Probably do some 30s, 40s, maybe some 50s, but do some pulls on the back roads of Mexico. So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm just gonna give y'all the GoPro clips because I wanna be able to turn the GoPro on and off to get those pulls for y'all. So I'll pick up this camera once they get back over to the crib. back. I had to make a quick errand real quick. Hopefully those posts were good. I'm gonna post all the not the reels. I'm gonna post all the pulls that I did from last night up until just now. But I'm definitely gonna be giving y'all a lot more content with the GoPro, because like now that I have that, it opens up so many doors to content that I can do now. So look forward to more GoPro content, and leave in the comments cars that y'all want to see me go against up in Mexico. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We are on the road to 1,500 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Leave in the comments down below the types of cars y'all want to see me run, or the different types of content that y'all want to see me put out. It's 360J, and I'm out of here. Bow.